Nilfisk introduces the VP300 series vacuum cleaner. A simple, durable and reliable way of cleaning. The VP300 series contains the well-known quality of Nilfisk, combined with a multitude of innovations to provide a good cleaning experience every time. VP300 series is easy to use and first and foremost gets the job done. With a powerful motor, smart design and exceptional filling capacity, the cleaner is best in its class. The versatile vacuum cleaner is all about efficiency and is appropriate for everyday use. While efficient, the cleaner is the quietest in its segment, so no more worrying about waking the guests in the hotel or bothering the staff at the office. It gets the job done, both day and night. Reliability is one of the key points behind the VP300. Extensive trials and long experience in the field has helped Nilfisk to create a cleaner that works continuously, trouble-free. The VP300 eats bumps and bruises for breakfast. The protective rear wheel cover and the threshold bumper ensure that the cleaner stays safe. While it protects the cleaner, the bumper also protects the surroundings from impacts and markings. In the event that the cleaner is dropped onto the wheels, a new innovation has been implemented to avoid damage. The front caster is fitted into the container wall. This, along with the rear wheel's protective cover, decreases any chance of damage if the cleaner is dropped downstairs or on other surfaces. The light cleaner is easy to carry around in the ergonomic handle, and the tube can easily be parked when not in use. The dust bag in the VP300 has a filling volume that is more than double of its competitors, which saves you money. The sack filter is easily maintained by simply removing it from the lid, tapping it on the floor, and placing it back into the machine and securing the lid. Additional features have been employed to ensure a reliable cleaner. For instance, if the sack filter is not fitted, the vacuum at the nozzle stops. This will help protect the motor from any damage. While extremely quiet, the VP300 Eco saves energy with its low power consumption and makes you environmentally friendly when cleaning. If the cord should be damaged, don't worry about missing the cleaner. The VP300 HEPA's cord can easily be detached and replaced. Furthermore, the detachable cord is orange and easy for surroundings to see. This prevents anybody from tripping. The cord can even be stored next to the tube or beneath the carrying handle. VP300 HEPA has a fine HEPA filtration that ensures while dirt comes in, cleaner air is expelled out of the exhaust. To achieve a good balance of high cleaning performance and sound level, the VP300 Eco is equipped with a 900-watt motor. To ensure the high cleaning performance is maintained when using additional filtration, the VP300 HEPA is fitted with a 1200-watt motor. With its smart design, durable features and reliable functions, the VP300 series offers an efficient and easy cleaning experience every time. The VP300 series is available in different configurations suiting your specific needs. Nilfisk, trusted since 1906.